This is the biggest cake in the world.
Soon it'll be the same size as the world. Come on, we're going to have to take it into the garden.
Almost there.
I can smell the cake already.
That cake has most definitely risen.
Oh no! It's off again!
Quick, everyone! It's going to fly away!
What shall we do?
I'd hang on if I were you.
Here we are. Good. Now it's time for some cake. What are you doing, Owl?
This is no time to be eating the cake!
What have you done?
I've smashed the cake.
Where are they?
Wow! Wow! Wow!
I wonder where Meg, Mog and Owl are.